Do you enjoy this as much as I do? Well, today's video, we're going to fix it. Hood struts will go bad over the life of a car. It definitely is super annoying, especially when you're trying to work something or check the oil or the air filter, and then you're constantly fighting the hood going up and down. Sooner or later you find a 2x4 or something just to try to get it into place so you can work on it. Well, today I'm going to replace the struts on this car, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is. Hopefully this will be the last time I have to do this. So we're just going to prop the hood up with a piece of board, and then we're going to install our new struts. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we have the hood propped, we're going to remove the strut. I'm using a small multi-tool with a small end on it so I can work it in under the little clip, and we're going to pop that up, and because that clip is what retains the piston. Okay, we're going to do that. And on the other end, there's also another one. I'm just going to pop that up, pry it until it... There, and just like that, it's out. So what you have is just a retaining clip on both sides. We're going to take our new one. I'm not going to be taking the clips off. I'm just going to press that onto the ball that it attaches to. And we're just going to press down really hard, and it'll snap right over that ball. Okay, so now that the piston is actually up further than the hood, I'm going to raise the hood up to meet the new piston. Just like that, it's on. Okay, now I'm going to move over to the other side. And just like that, the hood raises itself. What a concept. Instead of coming back down, it's on its own. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. Happy to get back with you if you have any questions. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you like the channel, ask you to subscribe. And thanks for watching DIY on the House.